everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Sharon, and today in this video we will be giving an overview of Aksa Amber Moshi, which is located in Dudulgaon Moshi, Pune, which is developed by Aksa Group. In this video we will be discussing about a lot of topics, that is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. Before even getting into the project details, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी करते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट शेयर करते हैं मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, पर हाउसी पर आप डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स से कनेक्ट हो जाते हो बिकॉज हाउसी पर लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. तो यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़ दीजिए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स थ्रू हाउसी. तो चलिए अभी बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Aksa Amber Moshi will be constructed on a 0.92 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower with 2 basement plus ground plus 9 floors having 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK premium residencies. तो चलिए बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और उसकी कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं प्रोजेक्ट के लोकेशन पर खड़ी हूँ और यहाँ पे है उसका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड बिहाइंड एमरल्ड ट्री होटल मोशी पुणे एंड इज कनेक्टेड विद MIT Alandi campus 2.8 km, Reliance Smart at 3.8 km and Croma 4.8 kilometers. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has luxurious amenities with kids play area, open gym, yoga zone, senior citizens sit out area, gazebo, meditation zone and many more. Now coming to the carpet area of the project, Aksa Amber Moshi has 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK with 2 BHK starting from 676 to 684 square feet and 2.5 BHK starting from 799 to 805 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Booking window is open, client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the entire project details to the client along with the 3D model and will share the payment and the pricing scheme. Along with that, they will also take the client to the actual location of the project, and after when the client likes the entire project along with the location, then we can proceed towards the booking process. So everyone, this was the entire project overview of Aksa Amber Moshi, which is located in Dudulgaon Moshi, Pune and developed by Aksa Group. अगर आपने ऐसे और projects देखे हैं या आपको और projects देखना चाहते हैं तो please let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.